Amid voices of public inconvenience, Chief Executive John Lee has reiterated that the newly implemented buckle-up or face a fine seatbelt rules are for safeguarding residents' safety. Jeremy Zhu has more.
From this past Sunday, passengers on buses and commercial vehicles must wear seatbelts where they're fitted. Violators face a maximum penalty of 3 months imprisonment and a $5,000 fine. Speaking ahead of the weekly Executive Council meeting, Lee said the rule follows recommendations from an independent review committee set up after the deadly Tai Po Road crash in 2018. He added that the measure will require a change of behavior, and while passengers may feel inconvenienced initially, this small change can potentially reduce serious injuries by 70% and fatalities by 40%. However, the city's leader added that authorities will exercise discretion under specific circumstances.
The law allows for a reasonable excuse, such as emergency or sudden special need, and those people will be exempted from liability. The government will handle each case based in balance in law, reason, and compassion.
Lee said the initial phase of implementing the new regulations will focus on public education, persuasion, and fostering new habits. The Transport and Logistics Bureau will conduct ongoing promotion and publicity campaigns. Jeremy Zhu, Cable News.